Hello my dear students, welcome back to our online class. So this is your English literature class and today we are going to learn a story. I am going to explain the meaning of the story line by line to you. So the name of the story is Happy Days Always. So always the days are happy. So now let's read the story. So open your book, page number 29, and this is your English literature book, okay? Page number 29. So the first lines, I'm going to read from the first lines, okay? One morning, Marjorie's mother called out to her a number of times to wake her up. So Marjorie is the name of a girl and he was lying on the bed and her mother was calling her for what? Her mother was calling her that Marjorie, please get up from your bed. It is morning, now the time to get up. Okay, the number of times. So Marjorie's mother called Marjorie many times. But Marjorie did not reply. Though her mother called her many times to get up, but Marjorie did not reply any time. But why? Let's read. Because she did not want to get up. That's why she did not reply her mother. She wanted to sleep more. She wanted to lie down on bed. So she did not reply to her mother. Though her mother was calling her many times, but she did not reply. So this is one morning, Marjorie's mother called Marjorie to get up for many times, but Marjorie did not reply because she did not want to get up. Finally, Mama came to her room to wake her up. But finally, as Marjorie was not waking up, so Mama came to her room to wake up. Okay. Marjorie finally got up. Marjorie then she had to get up as Mama enters her room. She was calling her from outside of her room. Marjorie, please get up beta. It's time to wake up. But Marjorie didn't reply. Then Mama enters the room and to wake her up. Now as Mama came to her room to wake her up, she had to get up. So she finally got up and crawled out of bed backwards. And she is crawling out of the bed, not at the front side but backwards. She was crawling from the bed backwards. As she was crawling from the bed backwards, she couldn't see what the things there under the bed or beside the bed, right? So as she stepped down, she tripped over her shoes and fell. So as she tripped down from the bed, she tripped over her shoes. So there were shoes. She couldn't see the shoes as she was crawling backwards out. She was crawling out of the bed backwards. She cannot see. So there were shoes. She tripped over the shoes and fell. Okay. As she fell, she knocked the vase. So she tripped over the shoes and fell. Okay, and as she fell, she knocked the vase. There was flower vase. She knocked the vase as she was fell, and that's why the flowers and waters spilled on the floor. So there were flowers and there was water in the vase, and as she knocked the vase, the flowers and the water spilled on the floor. She looked for a towel but could not find it. She looked for a towel as there was water on the floor. She wanted to wipe it out. So she looked for a towel but she could not find it. She was annoyed. She was very annoyed and cried aloud. Annoyed means birakto hoye jawa. So she was annoyed and cried aloud. What is going on? What is happening to me? She was very annoyed. Thus, in this way, Marjorie's day began in topsy-turvy. So the meaning of topsy-turvy means in a state of great confusion. So in that way, Marjorie's day began in a very great confusion. What is going on? What is going to her? She fell down from the bed. Not from the bed. She actually tripped over her shoes. Tripped means hochot over her shoes, and then she knocked the vase. The flowers and the water spilled on the floor. She could not find a towel to wipe the floor. Then she was very much annoyed and cried aloud. After breakfast, Mama asked Marjorie to go to the baker to get some bread. So they had breakfast. Then after breakfast, Marjorie's Mama said to Marjorie, please go to the baker and get some bread. Okay, now this is normal. Mama can ask you, please go there and get some bread. Marjorie was still annoyed. So she went out slamming the door shut. Marjorie was still annoyed. So she went out slamming the door shut. She went around as if slamming the door shut. She rode her bicycle to the shop. Okay. She was so cross means angry. She was so angry with the way her day started. With the way the day started. How was the way? At first she did not want to get up from bed, but she had to get up as Mama came to her room. Then she crawled out of the bed backwards and then tripped over her shoes and fell. And as she fell, she hit the flower vase, she knocked the flower vase. Then the flowers and the water spilled on the floor. When she looked for the towel to wipe the water, she could not find it. That's how her day was started. It is not very bad way. It is not a very good way. Sorry, not bad way. It is not a very good way that her day was started. She was very annoyed. She was very angry. So as she was very much angry, so when she was riding to a cycle to the baker, she did not notice that the beautiful sunshine and flowers. She did not notice the beautiful sunshine and flowers. As she was so much angry with the way her day started, so she did not notice the beautiful sunshine outside and beautiful flowers. Okay, so now it is not a happy day, right? Marjorie, it is not a happy day. Now let's see when the happy day comes. But only this much for today. Okay, you have to read this. Okay, so if you have any confusion regarding this story, and if you have any problem whenever you want to read whenever you are going through the story, then let me know. I will clear your doubts. Okay, so we will finish the story in our next live class, in our next video. Okay, keep watching and keep reading your story. Tata.